Looking for a compact and powerful way to visualize heat? Introducing the MILESEEY TR160i and TR256i thermal cameras, advanced wireless infrared imagers designed for Android smartphones. With a high-resolution 256 by 192 infrared sensor, these cameras deliver detailed thermal images that help you diagnose problems quickly and accurately. Whether you're working on PCB circuit boards, electrical systems, or HVAC maintenance, the TR160i and TR256i give you real-time temperature data right on your phone. Highlight hot spots instantly using rectangle temperature detection and automatic high-temperature alerts. This makes locating faults, short circuits, or overheating components faster than ever. The TP2 Plus handheld system connects wirelessly, transforming your Android phone into a powerful thermal scanner. No wires, no hassle. Download the app from Google Play or the App Store and unlock a new level of precision in your technical work. Perfect for electronics repair, home inspections, automotive diagnostics, and even industrial use. Built for professionals, but simple enough for anyone to use. MILESEEY Thermal Cameras. When every degree matters, see the heat before it's too late.